Hi, I'm Shaggy. Good morning. I'm going for a shoot, but before that, it's coffee and eggs time!
Okay.
I don't know if you can see us. Hello.
Hello.
I'm shooting some scenes for
State of Mind.
Yes. Poster again. Can't watch, huh? Okay. We're gonna continue work. This is after we shoot. This is how the space looks like.
Same matcha actually is almost ghostly, right? Actually, the matcha is green also.
Okay, bye ladies.
Okay.
Bye.
So you want to follow our schedule? Did you record that?
I am now waiting for my Uber home because I got a lot of stuff to carry. So, after this, I'll be having lunch over at Felipe's house. We were house sitting for them a few weeks back, and we're going there to visit them, as well as Memo! I will show you Memo. Hot day, huh?
Hot, hot, hot.
Where are you going?
We are going to our friend's place for lunch. And that friend is Memo and Chacha's daddy and mommy.
Hey! I just got home from Felipe's place. Not I lah, we lah. And Jana and myself just got home from Felipe's place. They gave us some stuff for me to play around with because I really love and some loot. Looking at old computers and fixing them. So they gave me their old MacBook to look at and figure out whatever I want to do with it. But the highlight of it was they were treating us to lunch and they cooked. So what did they cook? Feza cooked some nasi lemak, which was nice, and Felipe made some mole. Mole is a Mexican dish. The way they describe it to me is like a Mexican curry. So there's ingredients like chili inside, as you know, and also cacao or chocolate in the curry, and there's chicken, but it was delicious. I ate so much. I ate so much and so fast that I didn't use my camera to shoot any of the food. Can you imagine? I was so involved in the food that I didn't, record any of it. What a waste. But I have a photograph here. I don't know if that's enough to show you what it really is, but it was definitely delicious. And then we hung around and spoke for quite a while. So on the way home, lemon! Thanks so much, guys. Thanks for the mole and nasi lemak and salad. Oh, I'm so full.
And Memo.
And Memo. We really played with him just now and bullied him, so...
Bye. See you.
See you.
See you next time.
See you next time. Thank you very much for coming.
Have fun searching for gold.
Oh yeah, net first lah. Bye!
Bye.
We were talking to our Uber pool friends in the car, in the Uber, and they were telling us about eating food. I'm like, oh, so hungry. And we're gonna order some food from Foodpanda. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!